Oy, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. I just came from Rockwell. Sobrang hype ngayon yung Adidas EVO SL, which I think is our running shoe. In fact, resellers have been selling it for, I think, mga 10 to 11,000, sometimes 12,000 pesos. Primarily because ang laki ng demand and supposedly, the stocks have been running out. I was just super surprised because when I dropped by Adidas over at Power Plant, ang dami naman. I mean, the wall was basically filled with them. And there were a lot of units still available, different sizes, different colorways. So if you guys want to pick up a pair and gusto nyo labanan yung init, then go ahead. Some of the shops still have them. Or check with your favorite Adidas store. You don't have to pay resale for them. Speaking of init, one of the best fans ever that I've ever bought, tong Jisoo Life na to. If you guys don't have like a portable fan like this, you might want to check it out. Panalo yung battery life, panalo yung presyo. And overall, pwede mo pa ipatong sa desk kasi it can fold like this. So I will link down below where I bought this. I got it from Shopee. Sobrang sulit. So I was there. I was supposed to buy it. I tried it on, but it really is more of a running sneaker than an everyday comfortable walking shoe. You can feel it in the balance na alam mong it's meant to propel you forward, it's meant for running specifically, so I decided to pass on it. I am super excited though about the new Climacool that's coming soon, so I will definitely buy that when it comes out. However, since I was already in Rockwell, at nag-shopping na rin kami na sneakers ni Mrs., I ended up buying something from New Balance and I wanted to share it with you guys today. I actually have it right here. Now, this one is the 180 Fresh Foams London edition. This is what the sneaker looks like. Oh, this is a really good everyday shoe. It's a good running shoe. It's an all-around sneaker in my opinion. The colorway is something that I love. As you guys know, I love orange and this just goes with most of the outfits that I have. And I just love the look. I mean, you have that bright orange for the top, the New Balance logo on the lateral side or medial side, I forgot na which one. London dito sa gilid. And then you have some sort of like London-ish design here at the midsole. Ewan ko, kita ninyo. Ang ganda lang niya talaga So aesthetic-wise, super love. Comfort-wise, even better. It's super stable. It's a sneaker that you can wear every day. If you guys are like super fans of yung Hoka line of shoes, yung Bondi number 9 ba yun, and you can't find it in your size, you might want to give this one a try. I mean, I've been a fan of Fresh Foams for a long time now. And this new model, the thicker, chunkier midsole, is just something that they couldn't pass up. In fact, when I was in, hindi ko na malala anong huling bansa pinuntahan natin, Taiwan yata, nakabili ako ng parang ganito, but in a triple white colorway. So I'll just get it. It's here. Oh, diba? Yeah, I think this one I got in Taiwan. This one though is super dirty. I think I need to have my sneakers cleaned. No? But anyway, so yan. So this is the supposedly triple white, but it looks like dirty white of the Fresh Foams. So super love and enjoy this sneaker. I wear it a lot, as you guys can see with how dirty it is, considering kakabili ko lang nito, but well, a couple of weeks ago in Taiwan. So anyway, yun lang. I passed on the SL. I don't think I'll be buying it. I'll be adding it to my collection. Super excited for the Climacool. Ended up buying the New Balance. Now, I'll bring you guys along with me for the rest of my day. Marami pang mangyayari. Sama na lang kayo. Ang init talaga. Parang ang hirap. Before, I remember, okay, off muna natin to. I remember the time when you would see people walking around with portable fans na it would be weird. Now it's so common because the weather is just so hot. Grabe, ang init talaga. Pero sobrang panalo. Ang lakas lamig niya, di ba? So, win. Good job, Jisoo Life. So we are on our way right now to Block 101, which is a local gaming store where we buy a lot of trading cards. But anyway, quick story lang. So a couple of weeks ago, napunta tayo sa Adidas outlet over at Mamplasan. And it was one of the most interesting outlet visits I've ever done. Primarily because the setup was new. Diba? Usually when you go to outlets, you'd see a lot of sneakers sa shelves. But this time around, while there were sneakers at shelves and they were organized by size and by colorway and by style, this time, ang daming nasa gitna. So parang random piles of stacked sneakers, different models in the middle. And then what you would do is you would rummage through all of those sneaker boxes and randomly find pairs that you'd find interesting. May mga Ultra Boost, may mga parang superstar type of shoes, may mga older models ng sapatos na mga more affordable running shoes around the 2,000, 3,000 peso mark. And buy one, get one yung model nila. So basically what would happen is you can, kung ano man yung highest price, yun yung mag-a-apply and you get both shoes. So if you want like the Ultra Boost, which usually sells anywhere from 7,600 yata or 10,000, you'd have to pay that price. And then you get another pair for free. Either you get the same shoe in a different colorway or a different sneaker na mas mura, bahala ka. Basta parang ganun siya, buy one, get one. So umikot lang ako doon, I was going around and it was just so interesting to see the variety of sneakers that you could get in the shop, no? So meron doon, Mamplasan nga ba? O tama, sa Mamplasan sa SLEX. So meron doon yun nga, like what I was mentioning earlier, the older running sneakers na sobrang mura, mga nasa 2,000, 3,000. May mga superstar style o campus. Meron ka ng mga forum low. Meron ka din ayun nga, different models of the Ultra Boost from the 1.0, which I think is still one of the most comfortable Ultra Boosts to date. To the different colorways of the Ultra Boost 5 and the 5X, to the 19 ba, no 21. Basta napakadami lang talaga. In short, sobrang sulit ng punta namin doon. Nakapunta yata kami doon during Holy Week, so I'm not sure if that is still the setup right now over at Adidas. But if ever you guys find yourself there, you might want to check it out. Baka ganun pa rin. Baka lang may makita kayong gusto ninyo. So anyway, quick story lang yun. Medyo traffic, so I decided to do this quick spiel para at least makwento ko na yung nakita ko doon versus never ko na ma-upload yung footage ever nung trip na yun sa Mamplasan. Yun, so we're back here at the shop. May papakita lang ako sa inyo a few things that are very interesting. So, unang-una sa lahat, these are Pokemon collab watches. Collab ba o Pokemon watches lang talaga?
Collab.
With what brand?
Fossil.
Fossil. So it's Fossil Pokemon Company. Diba? So we have 3 of the watches here. Simulan natin dito. So this is yung Charizard, no? Black and orange. So kung katulad kayo na mahilig ko sa colorway na yan, then this might something that might interest you. So if you're a Pokemon fan, or if your kids are Pokemon fans and you want to give them gifts, or your husband is a Pokemon fan, or your boyfriend, then baka gusto nyo bigyan. Ganda nga, oh. I like the bezel, the style of the bezel. I love the strap. Parang matandang Charizard yung nasa strap. Tignan mo. Tignan mo yan. Pakita pa rin. Nakakatawa. So bata, the younger version in the bezel or in the dial, and then the older version you can find on the strap. So this is Charizard. This is Bulbasaur, I think? Yeah. Or Venusaur? Bulbasaur? Bulbasaur. So again, Tiffany blue, the younger version at the dial. Pakita mo yung dial.
The evolution niya.
Oo, and then on the bezel you have the older version. Yung naging panot na siya. And then yung buhok niya parang nagka-bank siya bigla eh. And lastly, we have, ito yung one of my favorites, Squirtle. In a light blue color. You have the young Squirtle on the dial and then the older Squirtle. At the War Tortoise na yan, di ba?
War Turtle tsaka Blastoise.
Blastoise pala. So hindi to si Squirtle.
Si Squirtle yung nasa dial, tapos yung nasa straps are the evolution.
Okay. Hindi kasi ako Pokemon expert, guys. So pagpasensyahan niyo na. Pero makita niyo, maganda rin yung box, di ba? Alam mong collaboration, you have all the different Pokemon there. I wish they made sino yung paborito ko?
Si
Snorlax. Ang aking spirit animal. Pero unfortunately, itong tatlo. I think there's also a Pikachu one, but we don't have it here. If you guys want to get any of these 3 watches, you can get them here at Unbox Green Hills. Just PM the page or hanapin nyo na si Karen sa Cardboard Corner. Nandun siya naka-display. Hindi ko alam kung magkano. Alam mo ba magkano?
Parang 14,000.
Oh, yan, thereabouts. Now, before we end, meron na papakita sa inyo, na konting teaser on some projects na tatrabahuhin ni Ryan. So one of the things that we're big on these days is trying to create our own products and services for you guys, no? So one of the things that I love, that I use a lot, are sneaker wipes and yung wipes dahil mainit. Alam niyo ba yun? May paborito ako yung may mint, yung may cooling effect. Yung problema sa mga wipes na yun, most of them are really expensive or the quality is not good. So one of my partners, si Attorney Rob, went to China during a trade fair to take a look at what's there. Pumunta din yan ng Japan para tumingin ng kung ano pa mga products at may sinosource din kami from Korea to take a look at different kinds of sneaker wipes and cooling facial wipes, di ba? So maganda naman yung concept, di ba? Yes. Hindi ko pala man yung pangalan ng brand eh. Ano ba? Skibidi Wipes.
Comment down.
Sigma wipes. So yung mga pambatang comment down below what you want to name the brand, di ba? Huwag nyo ng pangalanan unbox dahil nakakasawa na, okay? So marami kayong makikita actually sa mga ganong klaseng event. So ito, for example, this shoe wet wipe, this another version of that wet wipe. So itetest namin lahat yan from different countries and different markets. Ang ganda ng packaging, oh, di ba? White shoe cleaning wipes. Kasi iba-iba yung style eh. Pag leather, pag suede. Alam naman natin yan, lalo yung mga sneaker aficionado siya. Di ba? Alam nyo na kung ano yung mga different types of sneaker wipes. Ito, shoe sweat wipes. Diba? Tapos meron pa dito, ito yung mga maliliit na packet. Makita ninyo dyan, mga cleaning wipes also. Diba? So rest assured, we will do our best to try to experiment, take a look at all the different products that are available in different markets. We'll test, we'll iterate, and product development muna kami ngayon. And pag may nagawa na kami maganda at ikaka-proud ko ng i-offer sa inyo at ikwento sa inyo, abangan nyo na lang. Marami, ito yung mga wipes, yung mga facial wipes, hindi natin papakita. But yeah, generally, sobrang daming wipes. Mukha na ako wipe shop. So yun lang. Yun ang ating vlog for today. Very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up?